So I build this, and this goes up and down, up and down. And he has a skateboard, and I don't know why a dog came in this set, but I think he's his dog, maybe. I don't know at all. And Lego City ice cream trunk. It's got ice cream inside. Well, yeah, the ice cream lady can come out. You can open up the doors or open up where ice cream comes out. And this opens. See inside there, there's a bunch of ice cream. And no! It doesn't Elsie can see the person. Ice cream, no ice cream. Ice cream, no ice cream. Ice cream, no. 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 See? Hey guys, there's also, if you need to put this go in, you have to take off this. So yeah. A water in my face. I'm actually ending the video. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.